Hey, this is Raihan. In this video, I will demonstrate you one of the significant AI agent which can handle your calendar, and also this AI agent will be check your previous event and then they will create a event with your calendar, and it won't be do anything until you say I'm going to go this with this event feedback. If I message on Telegram that can you create a event with Raihan Hossan for play football at 5 p.m. tonight, and if I tell the question, then you can see the trigger it an agent and intent agent, and it's getting information from contract information, and also it's getting information from get event that it is checking there is a event previous or not. If there is a previous event, it won't be it's give you the event that you won't be create event on this schedule time, you can create different time. Okay, and then it will be good the set event. It's super important for creating this event, and after that it give you information that you want to create an event on playing football with Raihan Hossan. It's 5 p.m. tonight, and here is a two business email, which is business email and personal email. Okay, before you create an event, I will check any existing event schedule or nothing is hold on air. Okay, so if I response the question that yes, I want to go this I want to go personal one, then you can see the AI agent will be loop again. Go to the check feedback and correction the agent, and it's you can see I hooked up every question, every chat model on the 4O mini. It's quite expensive. I purchased from, it's not very rocket science. You can add this one anytime. Okay, so go to the again, and I received a message on that I want to create a event on play football 7 tonight using personal email. Okay, so if I create yes, I want to go ahead on 7th Raihan Hussain, and yes, submitted. Now you can see the AI agent is getting information from for Omni and checking information, and go to the event, and you can see the play football Raihan Hossan with Raihan Hossan is created, event created successfully. Okay, if I want to move this event onto 8 p.m. instead of 7 5 p.m, so move our playing football tonight, then you can go AI agent is doing intent agent and get event which event you want to move this one, and set intent. Yes, you want to schedule playing football with 8 p.m. Would you like to move 8 p.m. to instead of this p.m, starting date ending date, and the email is this specialist, and email do please do proceed it. Yes, I want to proceed this one, and if I feedback this one, yes, I want to change this one. Now you can see the getting information and update the event that which is 9 o'clock, which instead of 5 p.m. Okay, so if I want to delete this event tonight, create execution workflow, and if I want to delete this one and search taking intent and intent from getting information from the event and going to the through the workflow, and want to know they do want to delete this one. If I want to replay this one, sounds good. Now it will be executed that you want to delete this workflow. Yes, so calendar agent is getting information that delete the event, that you can see this event is vanished. Okay, so now I will demonstrate you step by step how you can make this workflow and implement on your business. Okay, you can see here is a couple of AI agent is including here. First of all, which is intent agent. This agent was done that getting pull all event from the Google Calendar, and second one is content contract information is full fetch of data from Airbot or whatever it is. You can use here Google Sheet, fetch data, and is taking information from this contract information, and this is the search set intent, which is very important, big due to I will display now why this is important. And there is a text classifier which is, and there is a two branch. First is approved and second is deny. If your feedback is approved, then this AI model will be go to the create event on your calendar. And second one is deny is correct agent, correction agent. If you are using two email, first is a personal or second is a business, then this AI agent will be decided which model do you want to send this one. Okay, so this is the process, and go to the send model and go to the feedback every time. Okay, this is the high level overview. Now I will break down step by step. Okay, cool. Now brings us to intent agent, which does getting information from the airbot and also the event created. What type of agent prompt we will use here, which is overview. You are a calendar agent. Your job is look at the incoming query and determine the intent. Okay, you have two tool. First is a contract and second is a get event. Contract event, use this tool to get contract information like email address. This tool must use if the user requests to create an event with trendy. If not trendy is specified, you don't be use this tool. And second one is get event. Use this event to get event when someone want to create, delete or update event. You should provide details about the event to confirm it is the right one to delete or update. And there is a couple of rules. You must always get event using this get event tool to make sure there is no conflict event. Okay, second one is when you are asking to move, update or delete any event, you must get event. To confirm the event, you must output the details like date, time, attendee, email. Okay, so output, you must output the request from the user and ask any clarification question. Always output email contract user is requested if requested. There was a two record of contract information for a single name, output email and the contract. Okay, final notes, here is a current date and current time. If won't be give here the it will be a hallucination, what time is it now. Okay, so this is the agent which getting information from get event. Search all previous contract, what type of information there was a before time and there was a after time. Okay, so getting information and from Google Calendar and event created, and where you want to add this agent, add this event, this is the mail, and get all data and description before time and after time. Okay, it's very important for creating before you creating this one. Okay, so this is the output that fetch all data from the website, from the Google Calendar. Okay, and second one is contract. Contract means you have to give here the full confirm and information that you want to fetch data. If someone want to contract with a specific name, Kafi, Siddiq, John, whatever it is, then get information from this Google sheet or from this airbot, whatever it is. Okay, and also it takes type business or personal. Okay, so this is the process, and no need to add any other information. Getting information from Airtable, and let's brings us in a search in set intent. Why this set intent is important? Because of if you want to go if you will go to the AI calendar agent, it's this calendar agent only do which query you want to fetch. You want to fetch calendar agent or correction agent or intent agent. So that's why we put here a AI agent that a set intent which do specified that we want to use the intent which is set intent. Okay, so this is that's why it's important. So let's go to the Telegram. This Telegram node taking the feedback that you want to you want to go this workflow, you want to go this email or not. If you want to go this email, then this workflow will be go to the approve branch. If this is not go to the false branch, it will go to the deny branch. Okay, so let's brings us in the check feedback. what this feedback. So if you go to the check feedback, there is a two branch, which is approved, and the one is second is deny. So there is a description is the human conflict greeting our request. Okay, so this means they acknowledge that you are providing information or action correct and read proceed. Approved message often include phrases like yes, looks look to correct, approved, that's great, sounds good, go ahead. Okay, and second is deny. Deny means in someone tell that I want to go the business account, business or personal, and delete both. Delete the first one and today, tomorrow, February 12th. The human providing feedback does not match indicate approval. This could be include request for change, correction, and additional information, everything. So this is the deny branch and before branch. If your feedback is good, then it's go to the approve branch. If your feedback is not good, it go to the deny branch. If you approved for approval branch, then it will go to the AI agent, which name is calendar agent. This calendar agent getting information, create an event on your calendar, move event on your calendar, and also delete event if you want to delete event on your calendar. Okay, so create event management tool, which is create event with trendy, and get event from the schedule, from your schedule, from requested, and get delete event and update delete. Before you deleting this event, you must get information to get the ID and for the specific event you want to delete. And second is update delete. Before you update this event, you have to get information which you want to update on, otherwise it won't be update specific which you want to update one. Okay, so this is quite important. So you can see update here. I specifically said here that you want to update, you have to update the specific node ID and you have to delete the specific node ID. Okay, this is the event ID. You have to update this event ID and specific event ID, otherwise it won't be hallucination which one you want to update. Okay, update ID and delete ID. Create handy means this event will be get information, get the email from this Google sheet and send the email to that handy email. Okay, create event, and update event and handy event and get event. So let's bring us in the correction agent, what type of work done this agent. So you can see that it's saying the business email, personal email. So I want to go the business one. Then you can see the what type of work business what type of work it done in the workflow, and is go to the correction agent and go to the again the what the user want to contract on the business email. Okay, so if you want to go to the business email and send the request, and it will be go to the approve branch. Yes, it will be go to the approve branch and go to create an event for your for the Google on the Google calendar. Okay, so now brings us a AI agent, what type correction agent, and what done this one. So this is the intent first, this is the request, this is the original intent, and this is the human feedback. So let's brings us in correction agent. Correction agent is done, original is taking information from the set intent which we created before, and human feedback, yeah, I want to go to the on personal business, personal information, or what personal email or business email. Okay, so what is the system message, which is that you are a correction agent, your job is looking at the original output and correct at the based on human feedback output. Your job is output the new intent of your request. Always include all the email details, email address, standard time or details, date summary. So why this information is needed? This AI agent won't go to the before on the intent agent or Google Sheet or Airboard. It's this AI agent won't be go to the previous model because it's already executed. Okay, so keep in your mind everything and so that it will be work step by step. Okay, this is the correction agent, and go to the set event, which is first node is you want to create playing football 7 p.m. Do you want to go business or personal? So, and second one is you want to create football in 7 p.m. Okay, so first one is just want to feedback. No, you are personal, go for personal or business. If you want to go personal, then go to the again second one, which you want to create playing football 7 p.m. with Raihan Hossan. Okay, go to the check feedback, it's checking the again. So if you are if it for the approval branch, then it will be go to the approve branch and create an event on your Google Calendar. And if you are not fit for the AI agent, it this realize that you are not fit for creating event, then it will be go to the branch. It takes 2 times or 3 times. When you get a approval branch, then go to the approval branch and create a event and get event or delete event or update event. You can do everything on your from your chat model. Okay, so this is the process how you can make a Google Calendar agent like a human. You can implement on your business so that you can you can use this time on productive way, and no need to take focus on this type of work because it will handle on your AI agent. Okay, so still keep creating. So if you have any question, just message me on my social media or comment on the YouTube channel on this video. Okay.